All right, thank you so much for joining me this evening. My name is Amber Spratlin. I do work for the Maryville University Library. My title is on the screen, Library Research and Instruction Specialist for online programs. So I'm very happy to be here with you, an online program. The EDD program is one of my very favorite programs to work with. A little bit about me, I'm Atlanta based, so I'm actually not in the St. Louis area. I'm remote just like you are. I'm a cat mom and a video game enthusiast, and I love all things research. I really feel like I found my calling in this career pathway because nothing makes me happier than working with a student who might be frustrated and helping them find exactly what they need for their research. That really fills my cup. So today, we have kind of an unusual series of events. It's going to be a little bit more interactive than I normally do, but I find that with doctorate students, especially, I don't want to waste your time by telling you things you already know, but I also don't want to skip things or take things for granted that you might want to review. So I have a choose your own adventure for you guys today. Behind door number one, we could talk about deciphering information types, meaning what's the difference between a news article, a magazine article, a peer-reviewed article, grade literature, generative AI. We can talk about those things if you like, if you choose door number one. Door number two, we can talk about optimizing your library search strategy. So things like choosing your keywords well, how to use all of the different tools in the library search engine, how to save materials. Or behind door number three, I can teach you about how to use the open web and the library in conjunction. And I'll tell you the truth, I think we could do both door two and three if you wanted to do that combination. Or we could do door one and another door. Now, you see mystery door at the bottom of the screen. No matter what you pick tonight, we're going to the mystery door. So, with that being said, if you would please in the Zoom chat or out loud, let me know which door you'd like to open and we'll explore that topic.
I vote for two and three.
All right. Oh, Sarah would choose one and two. All three. Okay. Okay, I'll tell you the truth. If we do all three, we might go a little bit longer than an hour. Is that okay with you guys?
I can try to stick around as much as possible.
Okay. Then why don't we do this? We'll do a truncated version of number one because I have a feeling that there are some things on here you actually don't need to know about. We'll definitely dive deep into number two and three, and we'll go to the mystery door.